Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share a very exciting thing with you. If you are running meta ads, this will be very helpful for you. We all know that creative is everything. A good quality image or animation can change the whole game. But the problem is, not everyone can hire a designer. Not most of the people have a camera, lighting and shooting setup because all these things are very costly. But now things have changed. Through Meta AI, you can generate unlimited image, video, animation for free. This means no need to buy a camera, no need to hire a designer, no need to find a costly place, and especially no editing skill. Just type your idea and Meta AI will make a professional looking image, video or animation for you. After Andromeda update, Meta is totally focusing on creative. Better creative equal to better result is equal to better sales. So if your creative doesn't look good, your result will be fall. But now with the help of Meta AI, anyone can create a beautiful image. Recently I used Meta AI to create a simple building animation for my clients. I just upload the image, give a simple prompt and Meta AI just make the whole animation. The clients love it and it really works with the ad. Today I will show you how exactly you can do the same. Using this tool you can generate Instagram photo, Facebook photo, YouTube thumbnail or any whatever you want. And the best part is you can generate unlimited photo and animation. There is no limit. Without wasting time, let's jump to my screen. We are now in our Chrome browser. Search for Meta AI and click Meta AI, and I will add the image. Here is the image. I will give the prompt. This is my prompt and I will send it. It is generating image for us and it's already completed its work. Just wait for a second. Wow, it looks so beautiful. And let's open the video, and it's already animated and you can add music. Here you can add music and now you can download it. Have a look how realistic. Now I want to add another image of a honey and I will give the prompt. Just wait for a minute and I will send it, and it is generating image for us. Just have a look how beautiful. Even you can animate it. There is no need for designer animation. And just have a look, it is generating image for us. And the boom, it looks so nice and you can do it staying at your home. Thank you for watching the video.